Welcome to e-hallpass. This video is for students and will show you how to cancel a pass before it becomes active. If a student creates a pass from this teacher to go get a drink at the water fountain, but then realizes that it's not a good time, they can simply go to the top right-hand corner of the pass and click the cancel button. Once they click cancel, they'll get a message that asks them if they really want to cancel. And when they click yes, the pass will be canceled and turns gray. At the bottom of the pass, the student will see the message, e-hallpass canceled by student. As long as the pass is in red status, the student has the option to cancel the pass before the teacher has the chance to approve or interact with the pass in some way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.